Yes. Okay. Yara, can you read the question, please, for your friends? Yara Kurdi, yes.
Yes, teacher. Write the vocabulary exercise
Expressions.
expressions that
أعتذر عن التأخير.
Yes, that match
match the
definitions.
definitions.
Thank you, Yara. So here we have 3 definitions and 3 expressions. You are going to read the definition and guess what is the expression. Okay. So number 1, Zainab, can you read? Yeah. Zainab. Okay.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Yes, please. Number 1.
What someone says when it's time for the next person to go.
Yes.
It's your
Excellent. It's your turn. So write with me, please. It's your turn. Number 2, Tala Hatem, please.
Yes, teacher. What someone says when they don't understand something or didn't hear. That's a good point.
Yes, when you don't understand or hear something, you say that's a good point or huh?
Huh?
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Tala. Okay, number 3, Ilan. Ilan?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Okay. Telling someone that what they say is smart.
Correct. Okay, telling
Correct.
someone that what they said is smart and correct.
That's a good point.
Excellent. That's a good point. Thank you for Ilan. Yes, so we are done with exercise C. Please, if you are done, raise your hand to move to the next. Okay, girls, just remember that the answering the exercises is the good way to revise the unit. Okay, and it's good for you because tomorrow we have the final exam for additional English. So have you done with exercise C? Shall I move to the next? Yes or no? Okay. Now
Yes.
we will do exercise D. Please, Lilian, would you please read the question for your friends? Lilian?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Read the question, please.
Look at the picture, then write the correct past progressive verb phrase.
Yes, can you do number 2? For example, number 1, look at the picture and here between the brackets we have the verb. So they were skating on a sunny day. Here we have number 2, please.
They were hiking.
Yes, excellent. They were hiking, for example, last Friday. Thank you, Lilian. So write with me, they were hiking last Friday. Okay, number 3, lifting weights in the gym. Okay, let me choose. Rital Khalid, number 3, please.
نعم يا معلمة.
Yes.
حسنا.
They or one. Here we have one person. So he
were.
He were or he was?
He was.
Yes, he was.
Was play.
This is the verb lifting weights. يحمل الأثقال. Yes.
حسن he
Yes, read. Rital, can you read the sentence? Thank you. Okay, number 4. Number 4. حلا. Number 4, please. هيا حلا.
yes teacher he
Excellent. He was
skiing
water skiing.
water skiing
Yes.
mm,
For example. For example, last weekend, last Sunday.
last I think last year
Last year. Excellent. He was water skiing last year.
yes
Thank you, Hala. Okay, number 5. Number 5, Nawal.
okay teacher yes playing
Soccer.
playing soccer. He was playing soccer.
Excellent. He was or they were? A lot of people
They
here.
were.
Excellent. They were playing soccer. Thank you. Okay, the last one. The last one. هيا يا غلا.
Yes,
غلا.
teacher
Yes, number 6.
was playing games.
He was playing games. Excellent. Thank you for Ghala. Okay, so we are done with exercise D. What? Okay, so we are done with exercise D.
Wait,
Please,
teacher.
if you are done, just raise your hand to move to the next.
Teacher finished.
Okay. Okay, let's move to the next exercise together. Okay, would you please open your workbook? Open your workbook on page. Okay, open your workbook with me, please, on page 57. 57. Exercises for unit 10. 57. 57 حسناً. Okay, so let's do exercise number 1. Read, change, and write. Okay, so do you see these underlined vocabulary or expressions? Okay, you are going to change them with the words or expressions here, okay? Because it's not correct. Number 1, Zainab, please. Hiya.
Okay, that's a good point to play the games. I already playing before you.
Yes, choose one of these vocabulary or expressions. Okay, to play the game, I already played before you.
Gathering.
Gathering, are you sure? Or it's your turn to play a game?
It's your turn.
Yes, excellent. It's your turn to play a game. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Khayal, please, number 2.
Yes, teacher. You must be so tired after studying all night. Across.
Across, it's not correct. So choose one of these words here. Okay, you must be so tired after studying all the night. We have some expression that we put it at the end of the question or at the end of the sentence to question it. What is it?
Huh?
Excellent, huh? Bravo, Khayal. Okay, number 3. Number 3, Yara Awad. Yara?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
It is your turn to think of me. You are a good
Friend.
friend.
Okay, it's your turn to think of me. It's your turn, it's not correct. You are a good friend. If someone does something for you, for example, thinking of you, you say something nice for him. What is it? اختاري واحدة من هنا يا يارا. Okay. That's nice.
That's nice of you.
Yes, Yara, that's nice of you to think of me. You are a good friend. Thank you. Number 4. Number 4, Noura. Yeah, Noura, number 4. Noura. Okay.
نعم يا معلمة.
Okay. Can you read number 4? Okay. Thank you, Noura. I can't hear anything from you.
معلمة لا يوجد شاشة.
بلا يوجد. Okay. ربما لديك مشكلة في الإنترنت. حدثي الصفحة. Okay. Now, Nawal, please. Nawal, can you do number 4 quickly?
Okay, teacher. You have any long road to go? A was let's hike
Huge.
huge.
Okay, you have a long way to go. This is incorrect. House, it's huge. We have a word that means large or huge. ما هي الكلمة التي معناها huge or extremely large? Choose one of these words.
Okay. Enormous.
Excellent. Enormous.
Enormous.
Thank you, Nawal. Bravo. Okay, number 5. Number 5. Lama. Yeah, Lama, number 5. Lama. Okay. Zainab, please, number 5.
Okay. Will you go to the cattle tomorrow? It will be fun. Will you go to the acres?
Are you sure? Will you go to the tomorrow? It will be fun. It means a group of people meet together. Gathering. Excellent. So write with me, gathering. Okay, the last one. Yara Kurdi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The last one, please.
My uncle wins many as a race.
Yes, excellent. My uncle owns many acres of land. Thank you, Yara. Excellent. Okay, We are done with exercise A. If you are done, please raise your hand to move to the next together. If you are done, just raise your hand, please. Okay, so now we will move to exercise B. Okay, look and scramble and write the sentences. Okay, here we have the underlined words. It's not in order. You are going to look at the picture, then rewrite the sentence with the correct word. Number one. هيا يا خيال, number one, please.
Yes, teacher. You are. We are finished.
اوكي الكلمة غير مرتبة يا خيال, رتبيها ثم نعيد كتابتها.
Okay. تبغى في الشات معلمة؟
Okay, you can write it on the chat, please, quickly.
Okay.
Okay, number two, Rital. Yeah, Rital, can you rewrite the word, this word on the chat? You have many of land. رتبي الكلمة, الحروف غير مرتبة, and rewrite it on the chat. I'm waiting for you, Khayal and Rital. Okay. هيا خيال, can you read the word, please?
teacher لما أنتهي من كتابتها أفكر.
Okay, so look at this picture. We are our hay. Okay, something we do it one time in the year, which is pick and collect the vegetables or the fruits from the fields. ما هي الكلمة؟
Harvesting.
Yes, excellent, harvesting. So write with me. We are harvesting our hay. Okay, and number two, خيال, not خيال, Rital, لماذا لا تجيبي على number two on the chat? Did you listen to me?
Yeah.
Okay, why you didn't answer me?
Never mind.
We have many acres of land. Thank you. Okay, who can do number three? Lilian, can you do number three, please?
Yes, teacher. This is a very nice neighborhood.
Excellent. The last one is neighborhood. This is a very nice neighborhood. If you are done, tell me to move to the next, please.
Teacher, can you wait me?
I'm waiting. Okay, but here we have a mistake. We have many acres of land. Please, if you are done, tell me. Okay, shall I move to the next? Shall I move to the next? Have you done, all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's move to exercise C. Exercise C, fill in the blanks with the past progressive tense. Don't forget to use the correct linking verb too. Okay, so here we have a sentence, but we need linking verbs, which is is, or are, plus the verb between the brackets. Okay, number one, is Zainab number one?
Okay. You on the couch last night. You were sleeping on the couch last night.
Yes, excellent. So here we're sleeping. Okay, number two. Number two, Ilan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
We were playing soccer in the field.
Excellent, Ilan. We were playing. Number 3, Hala. Yeah, Hala. Number 3. Okay. What about Tala? Hiya, ya Hala. Okay, Tala, you are number 4. Yes. Hala, number 3.
I was.
Yes. This is the
I
verb.
was study.
Study? Or with ing?
ing studying.
Yes. I was
Studying night long.
excellent, Hala. Thank you. Number 4, Tala.
Yes, teacher. Okay. They singing until midnight.
Okay. They singing or they were?
They were.
Yes, Tala, don't forget the linking verbs, were or was. Thank you. Okay, the last one. Diala Salim. Hey, Diala. Diala Salim. هل ديالا غائبة اليوم؟ حسنا. غلا خالد.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Will they know
While the snow
what the snow fell?
Okay. While the snow fell, she.
Meaning.
ارفعي صوتك يا
Making.
غلا. She making or she was making?
She was making.
Making what? A snowman.
Snowman.
Yes, thank you. So she was making a snowman. We are done with exercise C. If you have anything, tell me please to move to the next. Shall I move to the last exercise? Have you done?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good. Okay, now we have exercise D. Change each of sentence in exercise C into a question. Do you see exercise C? Here we have sentences, right? Each sentence you are going to make it as a question. كل جملة هنا سوف نحولها إلى سؤال في exercise D. Clear? Okay, like number 1. Were you sleeping on the couch last night? What about number 2? Can you give me a question for number 2? Look at your exercise C. Lilian, number 2. Yeah, Lilian, number 2.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. This sentence. We were playing soccer in the field. Can you make it a question?
Were you playing soccer in the field?
Bravo. Excellent. Okay, number 3. Number 3, Zainab.
Okay. Was I studying all night long?
Bravo. Was I studying all the night long? Okay. Number 4. Number 4. هل لما غائبة أم موجودة؟ Okay. هيا ريتال خالد. Number 4. ريتال خالد. Okay. نورة فوزان. نورة.
نعم مادام موجودة.
هيا نورة. Number 4.
Where
Yes.
Where is
Okay, look at number 4. Were they
singing
midnight?
until midnight?
Excellent. Okay, number 5. Was she making a snowman while the snow fell? Okay. Please write the last one with me. And if you are done, just raise your hand to end this class together. Okay, so this is the answers of exercise D. Make sure that you wrote all the answers and questions with me, please. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much for each student who is participating with me today. Your homework is exercise E in the workbook. This is your homework. Have a nice day and see you inshallah tomorrow. Don't forget to study for your exam and goodbye.